500 for 5,000.
4547, departure radar contact.
Chicago departure water 4648, 2.9, climbing to 5, heading 360.
They just shut that sucker down.
4648, contact departure 125.0.
Yeah,
25 nothing.
He's going to come back around for a landing.
Chicago departure water key 4648, 3.6 for 5, 360 heading.
4648, Chicago departure radar contact.
I can tell you that's relatively heavy.
20 Romeo heavy.
Not a big deal.
Speedbird 20 Romeo heavy, taken.
Okay, just a pan. We've had an engine exceedance on our number 2 engine with some vibrations, so we'd like to maintain 5,000 feet initially, and we'll come back to it with intention shortly.
Speedbird 2 Romeo heavy, roger.
Device bearing 630, 345.
For 4547, Speedbird mobile maintain 15,000.
45, 47.